Class 8. So today we will be starting a new chapter. So already we are coming to the end of this book. Another one more chapter will be left after this. Now we are going to do this similar geometric figure. So this one we have to be very, very careful in understanding this chapter, because this chapter is very, very important. This chapter is very, very important. Why I say very important? Because you see this geometrical part, this calculation part is very easy for us. Because this is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. There is only the formulas that you have to know. And if you know the formulas properly, then, and if you can place the sum in the proper formula, then everything will come out. Geometry, in case of geometry, what is there? The most interesting thing about the geometry is that where you can think. You see, when you can think and when you utilize your brain properly for thinking, then you will find it very happy. When you can find the answers by thinking yourself. This is why geometry in a part it is very important, because you have to know all these definitions, what we have learned in class 6 and 7 and in class 8, 11, and then combining all these things, you see all these are going to come here. Then again you see when you are talking about the similar geometric figure, something is there written already in the board, so we will be coming to it later on. Since it takes a lot of time, so already it is written there in the board. That part has already written there. Now since this is chapter name is similar geometric figure, that means here we will be talking about the geometric figure, and similar word is also there. Similar, already we know the English word this one, and the meaning also we know. Similar means dekibole eke. So here we are going to talk about the figures which are dekibole eke. Dekibole eke means, wait a minute, kagoj ahi goche robare. So dekibole eke bili roba ek minute, So dekibole eke hone কোন আছে? Geometric figure dekibole eke. Dekibole eke আইলে আমার triangles আছে, circles আছে, squares আছে, rectangles আছে, আর কিমান কি আছে, so you can give a whole lot of names. এতিয়া not only we are talking about dekibole eke, that means similar. When we are going to talk about similar, another word about that I have is which we have gone through, that congruent. Congruent. This word already we know. Congruent. And this you have seen especially in case of triangles. Now we are coming across another word, similar. Similar. This is another word, similar. These two words are little bit interrelated with one another. It will not keep a connection up. So first of all, before I go to similar, let me come to this congruent, which we have already done in class 7 in triangles. Now, congruent in triangles we have done. Congruent means, what is the meaning of congruent? Congruent means equal in all respects. I mean, सब फलों का equal. सब फलों का equal means what? क्या बताता है? So, suppose other than triangles, if you are talking about two circles, and if you superimpose one circle over the other, then if it is not possible for you to distinguish between the two circles, that is the congruent. But equal in all respects, सब फलों का equal. In case of triangle also same thing. 6 parts are there. 3 sides and 3 angles. So in case of congruency, two triangles are said to be congruent if 3 angles of one triangle is equal to the corresponding 3 angles of the other triangle, and 3 sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding 3 sides of the other triangle. You know? So if this is happening, then these two triangles are said to be congruent. But in congruency, instead of taking all the 6 parts, there are some postulates are here. This postulate, when we use, then instead of taking all 6 parts, by taking 3 parts only, we can make 2 triangles congruent. And the postulate already you know, starting with what? Side, yes or no? Then again side angle side, then we have angle side angle, then we have right angle hypotenuse side, and then we have angle side. I hope you remember this. It লাগিব huh? So যদি পাহৰি গৈছা তোমালোকে তেনেহলে আকৌ এবাৰ কনফাৰেন্সি 7 কিতাপখন খুলি লৈ চাবা কাৰণ এইখিনি লাগিব কাৰণ এই যদি মনত নাথাকে তেতিয়া অংক কৰিবলৈ অসুবিধা পাবা তেতিয়া ভাবিবা যে জ্যামিতি বৰ টান একচুয়ালি জ্যামিতি টান নহয় জ্যামিতি বৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং আৰু যি ষ্টুডেণ্টে জ্যামিতি ভালকে জানে সেই ষ্টুডেণ্টে অংক ভালকে কৰিব পাৰিবই এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিব আৰু সেই ষ্টুডেণ্টৰ কাৰণে 100 পাক্কা I am not talking about class 8, I am talking about the higher classes also. Okay, so geometry give importance on this. I already said the geometry key janibo lagibo, prothom kotha ami definition janibo lagibo. The isosceles triangle meaning ki bujha. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? I am not asking you to memorize the definition of isosceles triangle, but at the same time, when someone is saying you get a sum where they are saying isosceles triangle, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So when they are saying ABC is an isosceles triangle, that means they have already given you that here 2 sides are equal and the base angle, the angle opposite to the equal sides are equal. Tumar belage ar nohoy. So he kotike সেই কথাখিনি তোমার জানাটো বৰ দৰকাৰ. So what you do, যেহেতু আমি এতিয়া জ্যামিতিৰ কথা আৰম্ভ কৰিছো এবাৰ সেইখিনি ৰিকল কৰিবা চাই ল'বা য'ত লিখি থোৱা আছে মই কপিবিলাক কৰিবলৈ কৈছো যদি আছে তেনেহ'লে চাই ল'বা যদি নাই তথাপি 6ৰ কিতাপ Another kitabot the definition খিনি চোৱা and congruency খিনি চোৱা congruency so congruency here the 3 sides of one triangle equal to 3 corresponding 3 sides এতিয়াও হয় side angle side of the 2 side and included angle of one triangle is equal to the corresponding 2 side and included angle of the other triangle এতিয়াও হয় আর right angle hypotenuse side এতিয়াও হয় so angle side এতিয়াও হয় So congruency was equal in all respects. And baki theta part thakibo. These 3 parts are also equal because they are corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Okay. Etia. What is the difference between congruent and similar? Congruent means equal in all respects. And similar means equal in all respects. Nahoy. Similar is dekhibole eke aru similar to make that to suppose I am talking about 2 circles and these 2 circles are similar ketia similar hobo if the radius of one circle is equal to the corresponding radius of the other circle ketia 2 line segments are similar if the length of one line segment is equal to the length of the other line segment ketia so 2 rectangles are similar. So if the length and breadth of one rectangle is equal to the corresponding length and breadth of the other rectangle, then it is similar. So proceeding further, abhi similarity kotha to form in terms of triangles. In case of the similarity of the triangle, tumar kitabot ache chua. So kitabote tumar koise then you will be finding it more interesting there. Yes. Page number 175. Page number 175 uliba. Take it out. Page number 175. In page number 175, you have. There you see. Later on, we will get there 2 linear figures. Those figures bounded by line segment are linear rectilinear figures. That is triangles, polygon, etc. Are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportionate. Corresponding sides are proportionate. Means in case of congruency, 3 angles of one triangle equal to the corresponding 3 angles. I am just having this part. No, actually, naam to usi disu. This is how formula is there. Because sare tomar BBD utaibo. মই ইয়াত আমাক এই কনগ্ৰুৱেন্সি পাৰ্টটো লগ বুজাইছো হা so this is one triangle and this is another triangle okay let me name this as ABC and this one is DEF so these two triangles are similar क्या होगा when their angles are equal corresponding angles are equal corresponding angles মানে যদি মই ABC আৰু DEF বুলি কওঁ angle A equal to angle B angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to angle F corresponding angles are equal মানে কি হলো angle A equal to angle B angle B equal to angle E और angle C equal to angle F this is number 1 point this is number 1 point number 2 point is their sides are proportional corresponding sides are proportional sides are proportional that means if I talk about AB then I have to talk about DE here sides are proportional that means ratio of the sides on the three sides must be equal that means in number 2 corresponding sides are proportional that means AB by DE the ratio of AB by DE must be equal to BC by EF must be equal to AC by DF corresponding sides are proportional this is an proportion parallel now देखिए okay so in case of similarity two triangles ABC and DEF are similar if the corresponding angles are equal and the sides are proportional then যদি এই হয় তাহলে triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF এটা হল similarity বটে এই similarity এই কনগ্ৰুৱেন্স টেকনোলজি আমি দেখো দুটা ইকুৱেশন টানি ওপৰত দিছো এটো ইয়াত অকল এখিনি হ'ব similarity টো সদায়নি টু triangles are similar case of congruence in case of congruence you see angle A equal to angle B angle B equal to angle E angle C equal to angle F then you will get AB equal to sides are also equal AB equal to D BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF this is in case of congruence therefore triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF so sides are proportional and the corresponding angles are equal in case of similarity and in case of congruence the sides and angles are equal sides and angles are equal this is what is more important this is very important in case of similarity yeah ki hoy the sides are proportional sides of course sides are কথা মনত ৰাখিবা similarity sides are proportional আৰু ইয়াত congruence of sides are equal okay মান কি লাগে ঠিক আছে যে সিম্বলটো কথাটো কলো similarity কথাটো কলো okay then furthermore okay great get it on the board furthermore next we will be talking about proportional line segment next proportional line segment এটো তো কিতাবতে আছে মই কিতাবৰ পৰা বুজাই দিম ধুনিয়াকে পেজ নাম্বাৰ 176 চোৱা proportional line segment if two line segments are divided in the same ratio then they are said to be divided in the same proportion if two line segments are divided in the same ratio then they are said to be divided in the same proportion মানে ইয়াত কি কৰে so two line segment na here are line segment AB और here the line segment AC they are divided in the same ratio and Q, suppose they are divided, it is divided 2 by 3 and it is divided in the 4 by 6. If two line segments are divided in the same ratio, then they are said to be divided in the same proportion. So, in this triangle ABC, let P and Q be 2 points on the side AB and AC, respectively, such that AP by CB equal to AQ by QC, such that AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Then what will happen? AB and AC are divided P and Q in the same proportion. Then AB and AC are divided at P and Q in the same proportion. Okay? So this is what? This is the theorem that if two line segments are divided in the same ratio, then they are actually divided in the same proportion. So on this এই কনসেপ্টৰ ওপৰত অকল এপি বাই পিবি নহয় এই কনসেপ্টৰ ওপৰত there are so many things you can carry out, take it out from here. ইয়াত আমি পালো যে এপি বাই পিবি equals to AQ by QC. Not only that, we may get that AP by AB equals to AQ by AC. That is also possible. Not only that, AB by AP equals to AC by AQ. That is also possible. For example, how it comes you see, for example, AP by PB equal to AQ. This is already given to us because we are in this same ratio and divided. Now we need a connection between AP and AB. I think you remember this one, class 1 they have done that. Good. In proportion class 1, component and dividend. Do you remember? Component and dividend is A by B equal to C by D. Then component is A by B plus 1 you have done and here C by D plus 1 you have done. This is Q. B as A minus A plus B is by B, R minus C plus B by D. তাহলে ডিনোমিনেটর কিছু থাকে যেটা আমরা বলি না নিউমারেটর ডিনোমিনেটরটা চেঞ্জ নয় নিউমারেটর চেঞ্জ হয় ইয়াৰ পিছুৱান ইয়াৰ যদি তুমি কি পাব বিচাৰিছো মই AP বা AB পাব বিচাৰিছো এখানে মই ডিনোমিনেটৰটো চেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগিব যদি মই PB ফৰ দিও ডিনোমিনেটৰ যদি PB আৰু PB টো লওঁ that is also one thing that also I can show you that instead of AP by PB okay you want me to see that what I do তাহলে এটি তলে আহিব লাগিব
okay so I am telling already about this one so if you want to get AP by AB equal to AQ by AC then what we have to do we have to invert this one. Inverse ratio we have done earlier. Because we need to take AP. We should get AP by AB. So AP amar thakibo lagibo. AP code thakibo. Numerator thakile AP aru thaki na jay. 1 plus 1 koi jay. So here AP by that. Here ডিনোমিনেটর বি আর ডি যে আছে এই বি আর ডি থাকি রয়েছে কিন্তু নিউমারেটর প্লাস 1 করার লগে এক্সচেঞ্জ করে যায় নিউমারেটর a প্লাস b হলো চেঞ্জ হলো বুঝি পাইছ না কথা তো সেম কেস হিয়ার অলসো so that is why we have to invert this one that is CB by AP equal to QC by AQ. Then after that, you have to add 1.
Okay. That's why we will so sorry also there. Here, the sir will discuss in next part. That is why I have taken the pen from sir. So he will discuss this one. Now you see, এতিয়া ইয়াৰ কথা ক'লে যে কি ইনভাৰ্স কৰিছে কেলে কৰিছে তাৰ পজিটিভ থিং কথাটো ভালকৈ মনত ৰাখিব যে কেলে ইনভাৰ্স কৰিছে যে খুচি হ'লে ইনভাৰ্স কৰি দিম নেকি এণ্ড এট দ্য চেম টাইম চ' এই ইনভাৰ্স কৰা কথাটো কওঁতে মই মনত পৰিলোঁ কামক দাম কিছুমান প্ৰপৰ্চনৰ অংশ দিয়া হৈছিলে তোমালোকক এটা অংক দিয়া হৈছিলে যে y স্কোৱাৰ ইকুৱেল টু xz কৰিবলৈ তাত তোমালোকে যিটো প্ৰপাৰ্টি আমি পঢ়াই নাই না ছাৰে কৈছে না মই কৈছোঁ না কিতাপত আছে বোলে মই পাহৰিলোঁ ছাৰে পাহৰিলে সেইটোও হোৱা নাই কিন্তু ক'ৰবাৰ পৰা এটা প্ৰপাৰ্টি আনি পেলাই তোমালোকে সেই প্ৰপাৰ্টিটো ইউজ কৰি দিবা
That is converse of component of relation.
Converse of component of division use কৰি সেই শব্দ আমি ইউজ কৰা নাছিলোঁ কিতাপতো নাই এটা কথা মনত ৰাখিবা অলৱেজ ৰিমেম্বাৰ যে কিতাপ do read books তোমাক ইয়াত যেনেকৈ যিমান যি বুজাই দিলোঁ চব কৰিলোঁ কেতিয়াবা থাকি যাব পাৰে আমাৰো থাকি যাব পাৰে চ' do read book কিতাপ যেতিয়া পঢ়িবা কিতাপত you will get everything sometimes you find difficult to understand সেইকাৰণে ধৰা আমি ইলাবৰেট কৰি পেলাই বুজাই নিজাববীয়াকৈ ক'ত ইউজ কৰিবা ইয়াত জমেট্ৰি যেতিয়া কৰিবা তেতিয়া ইউজ কৰিবা কিন্তু what you are going to use those things which is applicable যিটো বস্তু নাই তাক কেনেকৈ ইউজ কৰিবা নথকা বস্তু ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰা ঠিক আছে চ' here look into it ঠিক আছে so next time you do remember this some of you have used okay here you see যে one can use কৰিম এটা question আহিব পাৰে so the started asking from that side so why you add one যদি মই ইয়াত one add কৰোঁ here যদি মই one add কৰোঁ তেনেহ'লে ডিনমিনেটৰটো গৈ নিউমাৰেটৰত প্লাছ হৈ যায় তো ইয়াত যদি মই ওৱান এড কৰি দিওঁ এই ডিনমিনেটৰটো নিউমাৰেটৰ প্লাছ হৈ যাব দেন ইট উইল বিকাম AP প্লাছ PB লুক এট দ্য ডায়াগ্ৰাম AP প্লাছ PB হ'লে কি হ'ব AP প্লাছ PB হ'লে AB হৈ যাব AB পাই গ'লা তোমাক AB লাগে that is why plus okay so here what we are doing PB by AP plus 1 equals to QC by AQ plus 1. And writing here by giving asterisk here. See after this, that go to the second PB plus AP. You can so you may find it difficult to see here. Let's see right down. After that, I will you can see, huh? Like that, we are going to go for AP by AP is equal to AC by AQ. That is the other one is important of AP by AP equal to AP by equal to AP by AP. It's just we saw some point to decide. Like this way, the conditions are given in the book. Conditions are given in the book, page number 177. You will be getting AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. You will be getting AB by PB equal to AC by QC. Okay, conditions are writing number 1. You will be getting AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. You will be getting AP by AB equal to AQ by AC. You will be getting AB by PB equal to AC by QC. Another one has to be back in the video. So, और दुईटा रेशियो एके हो ले মই যদি লেখো AP by PB ইয়াত তেনেহলে AQ by QC হ'ব লাগিব মই যদি লেখো AP by AB তেনেহলে ইয়াত AQ by AC হ'ব লাগিব মই যদি AC by QC লেখো তেনেহ'লে ইয়াত AB by PB হ'ব লাগিব। So these conditions are you can apply when you are going to do sum. Next part যেতিয়া চাৰে কৈ থাকিব আপুনি এই বস্তু এপ্লাই কৰিব পাৰা because this is a type of theorem only. যে যদি if two line segments are divided in the same ratio, then these are the things are going to come. কেনেকৈ আহে তোমাক দেখুৱাই দিম বাকীখিনি নিজেও উলিয়াই ল'ব পাৰিবা। So this directly এইবিলাক দেখুৱাই পেলাই কৰিব নালাগে, directly you can apply. In geometry when this theorem comes, এই theoremখিনি যেতিয়া হয় এইখিনি যেতিয়া prove কৰি দিলা যে yes this is the thing happening, তুমি directly use কৰিব পাৰা by theorem লিখি দিব পাৰা। এইখিনি already prove, আকৌ তুমি নতুনকৈ কৰি দেখুৱাব নালাগে। এতিয়া continue with the next part, another one theorem that Sir is going to discuss about যিটো মই ইয়াত মুচি দিছিলোঁ সেইটো পাৰে আকৌ লেখাৰ আগতে তোমালোকৰ দুই এটা কথা কৈ ল'ব আৰু এইটো তোমালোকৰ দৰকাৰ হ'ব মানে কৈ দিবলৈ ক'লে অ'কে নেক্সট পাৰ্টটো Sorry, more along okay? Okay, then bye. Bye from my side. Then now Sir Yanma Sir is going to take over.
Okay. So Sir is telling already that this is this part. I am highlighting this number 1. This is already translated that it is in the same proportion and all. So this is the original theorem. This is the original theorem. And whatever else we are writing here, AB by AB equal to AC by AC, AB by BB equal to AC by QC, whatever else we are writing, and inverse of this also. Okay, so these are derived from this original one. This is the original theorem. Understand? So geometrical term of this thing. এইকেইটা জিমেট্ৰিকেল টাৰ্ম হিচাপে কোৰোলাৰী বুলি কোৱা হয় কোৰোলাৰী অফ দ্য থিয়ৰেম তাৰমানে সেই থিয়ৰেম যিটো আছে তাৰ পৰা যিবোৰ ফেক্ট আমি ডিৰাইভ কৰিব পাৰোঁ সেইকেইটা জিমেট্ৰিকেলি কোৰোলাৰী বুলি কোৱা হয় নট অনলি জিমেট্ৰিকেলি in theorem related case. Okay, so that AP by PB equal to AQ by QC, that is the original theorem which is known as basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. This was sort of BPTA, basic proportionality theorem. This theorem is also known as Thales theorem because the great mathematician Thales se a theorem to ulachile. Understand? So this is also known as the Thales theorem. So now, Thales theorem, already the theorem stated in the book, so I have not written the statement here. So the statement is that the line drawn parallel to a side of a triangle divides the other two sides in the same proportion. So I have taken one triangle here, ABC. In ABC, a line is drawn, this one. PQ parallel to this BC. A line PQ is drawn parallel to BC, which divides AB at P and AC at Q. This is the statement. This is the meaning of the statement. So according to the theorem, this line divides AB and AC in the same proportion. Means when it is divided AB and P, so two pieces of AB come out, that is AP and PB. Understand? And ratio of these two pieces AP by PB, and other side AQ by QC. So these two ratios equal. So when the ratios are equal, that leads to the concept of proportion. That is why it is said in the same proportion. Understand? Okay. So first of all, you write the restatement. This is the format we should follow in geometry. In earlier classes, what you have done, I don't know. But whenever we do geometry, first the restatement or given we have to write. Restatement means if the whole concept is given in a statement, pure statement, we have to assume the triangles name and all these things. We have to give the names of the triangles and all, and perpendicular, whatever other things are there, line, segment and all, from our side. Then we write that one as a restatement. Understand? And if it is directly given that ABC triangle, in triangle ABC, this one parallel, this one perpendicular, this one, then so it is directly given, so we write here given. Understand? The difference of restatement and given, both are same meaning. Same meaning is the same thing, but one is directly given, one is indirectly given. Clear? Okay. So restatement I have not written here, so I am telling orally, you write down. Restatement. This is the diagram we have to draw. Okay. So as per diagram, restatement you write. Let ABC be a triangle. Let ABC be a triangle. A line is drawn parallel to BC to intersect AB at P and AC at Q. Written? This is restatement. Now required to prove here, that is RTP short. In short we write RTP. That is required to prove. AP by PB equal to AQ by QC. Got it? Then prove. Then prove. So what I have written here, let AP be divided into n equal parts and PB be divided into n equal parts. And all these parts are of equal length. Here I have written, you see, so AP, this one equally I have divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 dots I have placed, so it is coming out 6 pieces, 6 equal pieces. So this is 6 I have written here. Okay, but when we are proving a geometrical theorem, then we cannot use the numerical fact, because otherwise it will not be unique. Because I have taken 6 parts, so I am writing 6, and someone else has taken 5 parts, so he will write 5. Someone else will take 7 parts, he will write 7. So instead of this, we are symbolizing this one as m equal parts. Understand? This m is unknown. Got it now? Okay. And this part PB is divided. I have done here 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So this is 5 parts. So I have written 5 here. So of these 6 and 5 I have written here so that you can understand. So but we will write as n equal parts. And all these parts are of equal length. Bujhipala? এতিয়া এই যে এপি যে 6টা সৰু পিস ওলালে, সেই 6টা পিস মই এজনৰ হাতত দিলোঁ বা এটা বাউলত থৈ দিলোঁ আৰু ইয়াৰ পৰা টিভিৰ পৰা যে 5টা পিচ ওলাইছে ইয়াত এইটো বেলেগ এটা সেকেন্ড বাউলত থৈ দিলোঁ ভাবিল so এতিয়া সেই পিচ কেইটা তো সেম লেংথৰ আৰু and all these length parts are of equal length বুলি কৈছো same length এতিয়া এটা বাউলত 6 piece আছে এটা বাউলত 5 piece আছে so according to the number of pieces number of parts this is the ratio will be 6:5 got it or not so this instead of click we are using m and n so the ratio of this AP and PB as per number of divisions is n:n got it so that is why here I have written therefore AP by PB equal to n by n this one is marked as 1 here up to here okay now next what I have written here you see now lines drawn parallel to BC through these division points divide AQ in m equal parts and QC in n equal parts তাৰ মানে ইয়াত চোৱা মই এই পয়েন্ট কেইটাৰ পৰা টু দিস ডিভিজন পয়েন্ট মই যদি এই যে ডটেড লাইনবোৰ ৰাখিছো these are parallel to BC তো মই ইয়াত প্ৰত্যেক লৈকে ডটেড লাইন ৰাখিছো ইয়াত 1 2 3 4 5 পিচ আহিছে ইয়াতো চোৱা 1 2 3 4 5 পিচ আহিছে ইয়াতো 5 পিচ আহিছে আহিলে তেনেকে ইয়াত ওপৰতো চোৱা ইয়াতো তোমাৰ 1 2 3 4 5 6 পিচ আহিছে ইয়াতো 6 পিচ আহিছে so that means this one also AQ is divided into m equal parts because 6 or jagah আমি m বুলি indicate কৰি আছো and QC is also divided into n equal parts so as per number of parts AQ by QC ratio আহিলে কিমান m by n বুজি পালা this one is number 2 so number 1 of আমি কি পালো AP by PB equal to m by n and number 2 কি পালো AQ by QC is also number m by n so from 1 and 2 so that আমি ratio দুটা equal পালো না so from 1 and 2 we get AP by PB equal to AQ by QC that is what we need to prove here understand okay so this now one thing this 5 parts and 6 parts what I have written you don't show these things because we are not writing these things I am just showing here so that you can understand the division you can understand this one so this is your part only this part this 5 parts and 6 parts I have taken I have divided so that you can understand got it now so this is what I have written here so this is the proof of the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem understand okay so this much for today as because we have just started this chapter so you go through this theorem once again and converse of this theorem is also there that is the theorem 2 then we will discuss that theorem 2 in the next class and read the book try to understand because this is a complete new topic you are getting understand so read the book completely thoroughly and this writing may not be matched with the book what is written in the book because in this book they have written directly and ordered this so your language has to be this one understand or not okay so this much for today next class we will discuss the converse of the PPT. Okay? Bye.